Hello, City Medical Clinic here.
I need a doctor today.
Are you a new patient?
Yes, this is my first.
What is your full name?
My name is Mark Smith.
What is your phone number?
I will dictate it now.
Are you in much pain?
My head hurts very much.
We have an open time.
What time is the doctor?
Come at 2 o'clock today.
Who is the doctor today?
You will see Dr. Brown.
Is he a good doctor?
Yes, he is very experienced.
Where is the clinic exactly?
We are on Main Street.
Do I bring my passport?
Yes, bring your ID card.
I will bring it surely.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
I will be there soon.
See you at 2 o'clock.
Hello, Mark. Please sit down.
Thank you, Dr. Brown.
How do you feel today?
I feel very sick today.
What are your exact symptoms?
I have a bad cough.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, my head is hot.
Does your throat hurt much?
Yes, it hurts to swallow.
Open your mouth wide, please.
I am opening it wide.
Your throat is very red.
Is it a bad cold?
It is just a virus.
Do I need strong medicine?
I will write a prescription.
How often do I take?
Take it 2 times daily.
Should I drink hot tea?
Yes, drink plenty of water.
Do I need much rest?
Sleep well for 3 days.
Thank you for your help.
You will get well soon.
Hello, how can I help?
I need this strong medicine.
Do you have the paper?
Yes, here is my prescription.
Let me read it carefully.
Is it available right now?
Yes, I have it here.
How many pills are inside?
There are exactly 20 pills.
When do I take them?
Take one pill every morning.
Do I take it with food?
Yes, eat something before taking.
Can I buy some vitamins?
Which vitamins do you need?
I need vitamin C, please.
Here is a big bottle.
How much is the total?
It is $30 total.
I will pay with cash.
Here is your exact change.
Can I get a bag?
Yes, I put them inside.
Thank you for your help.
Have a very healthy day.
Hello, Paul. Take a seat. Good morning, Dr. Smith. What brings you here today? My right tooth hurts terribly. When did the pain start? It started 2 days ago. Does it hurt with cold? Yes, cold water hurts much. Let me look inside now. Please be very gentle, doctor. Open your mouth very wide. I am opening it wide. I see a small hole. Is it a big cavity? No, it is quite small. Can you fix it today? Yes, I will clean it. Will it hurt very much? I will use an injection. I am ready for it. The tooth is fixed now. Thank you. It feels good. Do not eat for hours. I will wait 2 hours. See you next year, Paul.
Welcome to the Vision Store. I need new reading glasses. Do you have your prescription? Yes, the doctor gave it. Let me check the numbers. My eyes are getting weak. These numbers are very common. I want a black frame. We have many black frames. Show me the light ones. Try this plastic frame on. It looks good on me. Does it feel tight here? No, it is very comfortable. Do you want thin lenses? Yes, thin lenses are better. They will cost slightly more. I agree to the price. When do you need them? I need them very fast. They will be ready tomorrow. What time should I come? Come after 3 o'clock tomorrow. I will pay the cash. Here is your paper receipt.